Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Vibrating is an awesome feature that is present in our device. This feature is especially used for the purpose of avoiding disturbing others. However, there is a huge majority of the people who faced an issue with iPhone not vibrating. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and release the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Turn off focus mode. Open Control Center of your iPhone. Find the focus icon. Toggle off the switch next to focus icon to disable it if it's turned on already. Solution 3. Enable vibration. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on Accessibility. Select Touch. Make sure that the switch next to vibration is on. Solution 4. Enable Play Haptics in ring mode. To do this, open Settings app. Tap on Sound and Haptics. Scroll down to bottom. Here, enable Play Haptics in ring mode. Solution 5. Enable Play Haptics in silent mode. To do this, open Settings app. Tap on Sound and Haptics. Scroll down to bottom. Enable Play Haptics in silent mode. Solution 6. Turn on System Haptics. To do this, open Settings app. Tap on Sound and Haptics. Scroll down to bottom. Enable System Haptics. Solution 7. Update your iPhone. To update, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Tap Software Update. If any update available, download and install it. Solution 8. Reset all settings. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset all settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.